quick announcement in case you don't know this. We have removed most of Disney content from Mr. Jen All-in-One per your request. A lot of you are not very happy to see Disney for some reason on this particular channel. I get it. You follow me for a very specific reason, right? Especially for the beauty product. So going forward, Mr. Jen All-in-One YouTube will be focused 90% on beauty products. Yay! So I hope you're going to be very happy. So what happened to my Disney content? Because I love Disney. I live only 2 miles away from Disney. I go there all the time. So we launched a brand new YouTube channel called One Step Adventure. And we are offering a $100 giveaway if you subscribe One Step Adventure and leave a comment at the trailer video with who is your favorite Disney princess. I'm going to put all the giveaway information down below so you can check it out. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you? Such a beautiful day in Southern California. Today's videos we are going to do another beauty box unboxing, and this time we are opening, you ready? Boxycharm February Premium Box. This box is for $39.99, value up to $215, and you can pick any 2 products you like in their collections. Let's open this baby up, see if this is worth the money. I used to have a lot of beauty box subscriptions, but right now I only have 2 brands. One is Boxycharm. I subscribe to Basic Box, Premium Box, and the Luxe Box. Both Basic Box and Premium Box comes once a month, and the price is only $10 difference. But you're getting a lot of products, so I love it. I love to try the new item without spending a lot of money, honestly. And then Luxe Box is a little bit more expensive, but that only comes every quarterly, and that is pretty fantastic too. Another brand I also subscribe is a Allure Beauty Box. They have definitely upgraded their box recently, so it's pretty cool too. So you're gonna see that review coming very soon. Alright, let me put on my glasses so I can see you guys and see the box. The box is definitely bigger. Let me give you an idea what's the different sizes in between the Premium Box versus Basic Box. This is the Premium Box. This is the Basic Box. So you can see it is a little bit bigger. And the Luxe Box is much more bigger. I'll show you next time when I receive it. So yeah, let's open this up. I'm a little bit concerned because anytime when the Boxycharm box arrives, if it's heavy, that usually tells me it has more skincare content. This thing's a little bit light, so finger crossed, finger crossed. The Premium Box open is in the blue packaging inside, so you can see the blueprints. In here, you also always gonna find the card with description, so you know what is in here. So let's take a closer look. Oh, I don't use makeup, but I'm pretty excited about this. This is a Huda Beauty Mercury eyeshadow palette for $67. Wow, it's not a cardboard container. It's more like an acrylic container. Can you hear that? This is beautiful. Beautiful. So let me open this out. Wow, guys, this is all the lavender color collection. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. I mean, this collection is called Mercury Retrograde, and this color is beautiful. Wow, I'm not gonna do swatch because I want to keep this maybe for giveaway or give to someone else's, but it's absolutely beautiful packaging. Wow, beautiful. All right, let's look at next item here. So the next item right here is by Arceology, a Rose Quartz Gua Sha Facial Massager. I know what's Gua Sha. Do you know what that is? And how much is this? This is $45. And comes with a nice little pouch. And this is the Gua Sha Rose Quartz. So what is Gua Sha? Gua Sha is basically a traditional Chinese tool that you are using to help the blood circulations. And sometimes if you have a body ache, body pain, you can really remove the energy beneath skin. And this is a rose quartz. And rose quartz, it's a very nice stone. It represents love. I mean, this is nice. We'll totally use this. Wow, this is a good deal. Very, very good deal box. I love it. I love it. Wait, how do I put this back in there? Let's go look at next item now. The next item is by Vike. A Vike Beauty Makeup Melt. So this is $24. Oh, okay. This is the makeup remover spray with a skincare benefits. So makeup melt has a 4 key antioxidant to nourish your skin after you remove the makeup. Leave your skin bright, clean, and renew. No wipe or pat necessary. What? Simply spray on makeup melt and remove all your makeup. Give you a spa-like experience. Wow. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to try this when I do a full-on demo. But first, let me just smell this thing right here. I wonder is this going to be more like an oil spray or more like lotion spray. Oh, it's very fragrant-ish. And let me just try it on my hand first. So, it's not oily, it's more like it has a very light soapy-ish in there. I'm not sure if this is going to turn out with foaming, but it has pretty strong fragrances in there. But I can't wait to try this. I will definitely do a demo to show you guys how this works. I have a one-sized makeup mist, the oil. I love that. I think that's really a very smart design. You know, they're not reinvent the wheel. There's already makeup oil, there's already makeup oil remover. They just put in the spray foam. That's very smart. And this is, I think, just kind of like a makeup water, and they just put in the spray foam. I think this is just like a makeup water, you know, this water makeup you put on the cotton pad, you wipe it off, and this just on the spray. I don't understand why they say no wipe. You still need to wipe it off or massage to remove the makeup. I definitely need to give a try on this one here. Alright, the next item right here is a Christopher Robin's. It's the Instant Volume Missing Living Mist. It's a really interesting name. And use rose water in there. And how much is this? $39. So this mist make the thin and fine or flat hair feel thicker. So create more volume and body. So I'm probably not going to use this because my hair just is pretty thick already. I'm definitely going to get to my sister. My sister's hair is very fine, very thin. But let me just smell the scent. Oh, I can smell the rose water. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, there's 2 more items in here. Let's go check it out. What is this? So this is by Moonlit. Never heard about it. It's a new brand here for Boxycharm. It is an eyeshadow primer for sheer natural tints and silky finish, silky texture. $18. Let's give it a try. Eyeshadow, I wonder if this, oh, it's so cute, the packaging. It's all black in the gold print. It has a little base color in there. Let's just see. Okay, when I put this on, let me show you guys here. It's not your traditional eyeshadow base. It's more like a transparent colored. Oh my god, this thing smells. Well, I guess you're not gonna smell this when you apply it on your lip, but it's a very odd smell. Very chemical-ish smell. I don't. Why am I keep on smelling this? Ugh. Okay, yeah, no. Beautiful box, beautiful packaging. I'm sure that it do the job, but just smells really weird. Okay, last item, let's check it out. Last item is by Pretty Vulgar Cosmetic, $30. And this is the Lip Duo. So let's open this up here. It's a matte liquid lipstick and high shine. Oh, it's cute. Very, very cute. Let's try this. Wow, this red is very, very nice. Okay, this smell okay. It does not smell weird. And the high shine is once the liquid lip go on there, you can put this over. It create very high shine. Let me just try it by itself. So right away, I can feel the texture is very thick. Now can you see that? Okay, I mean, beautiful. So I think this box is very, very interesting. I am mostly impressed with the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is beautiful. The color, the purple. Wow, it's so pretty. Very, very spring. And Guasa, why not? You know, massage tool is so great. So overall, I think this box is fantastic. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Let me know which item you want me to try and show you guys. I would love to do it. Alright, I want to say thank you so much for watching my video. Now, go to my brand new channel, One Step Adventure, and subscribe to that YouTube channel and enter for the $100 giveaway. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Hi, I'm Steve Jan, founder of Yibu Beauty, and these are my sister. We've been together through thick and thin. Nothing comes between us in our family. Just like our bond, the 2 new releases of the Mooncast collections, our Hero Serum and Hero Moisturizer, are the super duo. Nothing will come between your skin and the Yibu superpowers.